Hello everyone, we're gonna start by taking 4 braids, one at each side and 2 at the back, joining them together into one like this, dividing it into 2 braids and folding them out. Next, we're gonna start by taking 2 braids at the back, taking the remaining hair, dividing it into 2 and making 2 braids out of them as well, and then at the end, we're gonna fold them out. Next, we're gonna start by taking all of the hair and then we're gonna take 2 ponies, one at each side and converting them into thin braids. Then we're gonna fold it out into bun. To the remaining hair, we're gonna make 4 braids, 2 at each sides again and joining 2 of them to the buns. Next, we're gonna start by taking all of the hair, making a ponytail, adding one more rubber band to it and giving this a beautiful heart effect. Then taking the remaining hair and making 2 braids out of it and you are done with your hairstyle. Next, we are going to take this high ponytail, dividing it into 2 braids, and then by using this tool, we're gonna pass the braids to the opposite side and making this beautiful bow effect. Next, we're going to take a pony at one side and taking tiny ponytails at the other side and then joining them together like this. When it's done, we're going to join them into one and then joining them to the opposite side ponytail. Now you can see you are done with your hairstyle.